Good Thursday morning. Happy Thursday. Not necessarily happy weather today, though, unfortunately. We're dealing with kind of a blustery, raw, harsh day overall. It's going to get worse before it gets better. We have some pretty harsh winds ahead of us, some rain, even a little snow, all of that in our Thursday weather picture. Typical early March weather, unfortunately, all happening at one time. But right now, I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt today talking about today's weather picture, but one that also beyond today looks a whole lot better. We have a lot to look forward to in the coming days overall. But right now, here's a look outside. It's just a little after 8:30 on this Thursday morning. 35 degrees, 20-mile-per-hour winds. At times, we're going to see those gusts, 35 miles per hour. At times, 45 miles per hour. That'll be the story for late morning and afternoon. We have a wind advisory that takes effect for 9 o'clock today, all the way until 6 this evening. Temperatures on the map. For this time of the morning, not bad. 35 is the average high, and that's where we are right now. Rochester, we started at midnight at 40 degrees, and temperatures have dropped a little bit. A cold front has moved through. That brought rain to the area very early this morning. Things a little quieter right now, but the winds are picking up, and then we'll see some rain and snow showers late morning and the afternoon. 39 in Winona. It's 37 in Mason City. Here's radar. We're looking at what happened earlier today. A little bit of rain. That batch has moved on to the east. In its wake, we're seeing some snow showers and rain showers. And we're going to see a little of everything, I think, coming up forward, moving forward through the day. As temperatures are above freezing, but aloft, colder air slowly going to be mixing in. So at times we'll see a transition to snow showers. And it's not out of the realm of possibility. We'll see a little coating on especially some of those grassy surfaces on the mailboxes and the rooftops, and maybe a little bit on the pavement. But at this point, not much. I think at most maybe a tenth of an inch, maybe a quarter inch in a few spots. But we'll look for that after about 11 o'clock this morning. Moving forward to the rest of the day, it's going to be kind of a raw, blustery day and an unsettled day with rain and snow, and temperatures staying right pretty much where they are in the upper 30s. Gray sky looking north. We had a little sun earlier this morning right after that rain moved through just after sunrise, but now it's gray again as we move our way through this Thursday morning with the wind chill 24. About as cold as it has felt all day. The wind chill has gotten progressively colder. Temperatures have dropped back a couple degrees from where we were around 5 or 6 o'clock this morning during our morning news program on KTTC, where we're talking about wind chill around 30, and it was 37, 38 degrees. Temperatures have dropped a little bit since then. Of course, we're behind the cold front now. It's still temperatures, I think, basically steady where they are here. Maybe you'll add on a couple of degrees, but if we're lucky, between rain and snow showers. 24 the wind chill in Rochester, 27 Mason City, 26 in Rushford. Here are the winds already. We're starting to see gusts around 30 miles per hour. Looking at some of those gusts west in the area. Mankato, just off the map here, 33 mile per hour gust. We're going to have a lot of that throughout the day. And because of that, we do have a wind advisory. It takes effect coming up at 9 o'clock this morning. A few peaks of sun, but after about 10:30, it's rain and snow showers off and on in the afternoon into the evening. Temperatures hovering in the mid and upper 30s. And there's that wind advisory. Now, areas along and east of the Mississippi River are not the advisory and more of the bluff country type things. They reduce the wind speed to some extent. So not so many of the 45 mile per hour gusts there, but Rochester, Austin, Osage, Mason City, all in that wind advisory as we move along through the rest of today. Looking at satellite radar, gaps in the clouds, but more snow and rain showers wrapping around that system. The center of that system is well north of us. It's marching eastward pretty quickly. We'll have those showers at times of the day. Here's high-res futurecast tracking the precipitation. A lot of blue mixing in at times, but by the time we get to around 9 or 10 o'clock this evening, most of it moves out, so we'll have things drying out later on. Futurecast, there's that storm system moving out of the east. Behind it, high pressure comes in. The winds are still pretty blustery tonight, dropping to the 20s overnight. And then tomorrow, much lighter winds, upper 30s for highs. A lot of sun. If you liked Wednesday, you'll love Friday. Yesterday was a great day. Tomorrow looks very similar. And the weekend, here's that much long-awaited warm-up. That warm front comes through first thing in the morning. A gusty, mild day. Winds at times up to 30 miles per hour, so it may not be a perfect day, but we'll have a lot of sun. Temperatures in lower, and in some cases, mid-50s on Saturday. And Sunday, even warmer than that. Temperatures on the way to upper 50s to low 60s. Temperatures today, meanwhile, around 38. Lunchtime will drop back to the low 30s later this evening. Wind, rain, and snow today. A quiet Friday, then a warm-up for the weekend with those very mild conditions. 22 tonight with winds at times 25 miles per hour with west winds today. In the meantime, gusting to 45 miles per hour. Rain and snow showers through the day today. 39 in Austin, 40 in Mason City. Tomorrow, 37, a lighter breeze with sunny skies. And then your 7-day forecast, there's what we've been talking about. Weekend looks stupendous, especially Sunday, upper 50s. Still a fairly breezy day, winds 25 miles per hour at times, but just a very April-like day. Rain showers possible Monday, and on Tuesday, a chance for maybe a little coating of snow. It does not look like a huge system, but one that comes in midday and afternoon brings this light coating of snow. Temperatures next week much more typical for this time of the year, upper 30s to around 40 degrees. So we're looking at the temperature tracker, and it looks like we're going to be seeing more than often than not above average temperatures, but definitely the weekend looking far and away the best of the next 7 days. In the meantime, stay warm and stay dry today, and have a great Thursday. We'll see you back here tomorrow for TGIF. Have a great day.